Hey guys, it's Wes, not your normal miner here. Today got a fun one for you, and this is a follow-up to our last Worker Work episode. As you guys know, all of our Worker Work episodes are behind the scenes, day-to-day life of a GPU mining farm operator. So first of all, huge thank you to you guys for having us out at your home, man. You guys, the community, are great. Well, as you guys know who watched that last episode of Worker Work, we brought this worker in. It was having issues after we had relabeled it. It didn't want to start up correctly. Well, we brought it in, we gave it a good blow, and you guys always know, everybody always loves a good blow. I don't care who you are. Clean things up a little bit. We also talked with you about updating the GPUriser.com risers here. Well, the reason that we wanted to go ahead and update risers was, and guys, don't beat us up for this, but we are out here in an actual mining farm in the middle of a farming field. So there's all sorts of crud and stuff, even with our air inlet filter screens and everything. Over time, you guys know, just from running your home PCs, there gets dust in there, and that's in a clean home. Well, we had this worker here, after getting relabeled, it just wouldn't start. So we did go ahead and update all of those risers to those GPUriser.com risers. You guys know in our video about risers, we talked with you a couple different reasons on why we like these risers. One of those being those banana clips, or the motherboard clips, and you can kind of see that right over my finger. We'll take you to another excuse me, another worker here so you can see that. But on the GPUriser.com risers, it's got that banana clip right here, the motherboard clip, and we really like that because we've got a lot of different setups of GPUs, one of those being those China fans. Well, we also have all sorts of other GPUs out in the field, but we like those because it does allow us to get in and out of there easy, as well as you can hook those China fans that we have up. So we did get things nice and cleaned up here, got things fired up. Well, we started to see some issues, and what I mean by issues were, after it running for a few minutes, we pulled up sandbox is what we like to call it here, that shell in the box. You know, you play in the sand. Huge shout out, thank you guys to the guys out here at the farm, Tim and Zach. Lots of shenanigans coming up with those guys. So we really didn't know what was going on because it didn't stay long enough to get any errors. So we switched out all the risers, got them to those new GPUriser.com risers, got it fired up. Well, next thing you know, we had an issue. When I say an issue, it did pull up a error. And what I mean by error, and you guys got to check out your logs and everything with HIVEOS. Oh, you guys can see Boba Fett down there. But you got to check these error messages out. Well, it said GPU 7 detected dead. Well, that does show as 0A. So when it did give us that message, that did crash the miner. Well, hey, we weren't getting any messages before. It was just not loading. So we went ahead and took that GPU out. That one could be dead. It could have died. It could have other issues there. But like I said, we took that out. And now this GPU worker, which is now worker 43, does appear to be working correctly. So it's really easy to figure out which one's not working now. You can see right here, no fans or anything turned on because we unhooked that riser, so it doesn't know really what to do there. So you go through here. You could also follow the cable. Follow the cable, it goes to the dead one. So what we do is we may have a bad GPU here, and we'll have to do some more testing and such on that. But it was more important to get all of these up and running and having one down. Hope that makes sense, guys. So make sure you keep up with all our shenanigans with our episodes of Worker Work. You'll be able to see the behind the scenes look at the GPU mining farm. You know, you'll be able to see us, like I said, we do all sorts of testing and stuff in here. You can see that this worker is now back up and running. We are going to let it run a little bit longer just to make sure that it continues to work before we get it out into the field. You guys did hear us talk about that new labeling system. Well, let's go out here and show you guys where this one's going to be going. If you guys like these videos, you better give us a thumbs up. You better comment down below. Let us know what else you want to see in the episode of Worker Work. We got some things in the pipeline as far as server power supplies, ATX power supplies, those types of things. But this worker's got to go back here, and when we were doing our new labeling, what we ran into was, every time in HIVEOS, you guys know we love HIVEOS, every time we're in HIVEOS, what we end up seeing was when I change a description or a worker name, it reboots. Well, we just finished up row A, we had a couple not reboot. Worker 43 in our new label system didn't fire up, so that's why we brought her in to get some work on. So worker 43 goes in its home. Right back here, we got things labeled. It makes it easy for us. You actually don't need any type of mapping or anything to find your way around. So we're gonna let worker 43 kind of finish things up. That was 571. There could be other shenanigans there, but we'll kind of let that go for now. But if you're new to the channel, you better hit that subscription icon so you can keep up with us. Also, if you're new to the channel, comment down below. Let us know what drew you here. If you've been here for a long time, huge thank you to you guys, the community. You guys have been great. Hope you guys like that new logo. We had a full rebrand here. Huge shout out to Doge Lord Apparel. Can't wait to get some stuff out there. Hope you guys like it and want to pick it up. But a huge thank you to Doge Lord Apparel for kind of making the push for that rebrand. But you can see here, we love the GPUrisers.com risers for lots of different reasons. We've got our ASRock H110 Pro BTC Plus motherboard. We use those server power supplies with those breakout boards. We've also got that special 24-pin adapter back there, and that allows us to power everything off a server power supply. We'll bring you guys back over here. Oh, hey, want to send some love, Soapy Fresh. Thank you, can't wait. Soapy Fresh sent us some swag over for Crypto Swag Friday, so we're super pumped about that. Can't wait to talk about that in one of our episodes. Keep up with some shenanigans there. But you can see we're still hashing. That's what's important for us. Hash. Keep things hashing. We'll figure out what's going on with that other GPU. Talk with you guys about that a little bit later. Wrapping things up with this episode of Worker Work. Comment down below. Let us know what else you want to see. Let us know what you like. Give us a thumbs up so other people can see it. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscription icon, because I tell you what, you know, different things like this build here. We got the ASUS. We got the 10 by ASUS dual RTX 2080 super build. We showed you guys how to do that. Lots of shenanigans going on there as well, and all sorts of other shenanigans out here at the farm. So, ending up this episode of Worker Work. You guys, hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys are having a great day. Thanks for having us in your home. My name's Wes, Dr. Normal Miner. Thanks, guys.